Hi there, my name is Danielle Duffy. I'm Head of English and Head of Year 5 and 6 at Ranches Primary School. For more educational videos, please subscribe and comment below. Thank you. Today we are going to be speaking about different ways to improve reading and writing using technology. First up, we're going to talk about Epic Books. Epic is a free-to-use app that children can use to listen to, read and answer questions about text. The kids absolutely love it because there's a huge range of different texts available, including book schemes such as Oxford Reading Tree and National Geographic. The children can hover over a word and click and it will give them the definition and meaning, and the easy to use quizzes help determine their understanding at the end of the books. We're also going to look at the use of Seesaw. There's two different ways that we use Seesaw to help improve our reading and vocabulary skills here at Ranches Primary. We do this through a reading review. The children, during their sole time, pick a book and do a 3-minute reading review on the Seesaw app. They use the tools to record their voice over the top of the book, and through this they answer a series of questions on whether they would recommend the text, what they liked about the text, what the character development was in the novel. This also gives me a chance to feedback on their reading, their fluency, and give them pointers on how they can improve. I find that in Year 5 this is better than listening to them read because there's less of the nerves and the fear factor that they get when they read aloud in front of people. Another way that we use the Seesaw activities is through Vocabulary Ninja. We use the Word of a Day by Vocabulary Ninja, and I've created a template on Seesaw activities for the children to fill in. This helps improve their vocabulary, which is beneficial for tests such as the NGRT, and to improve their writing. And we can also look at grammatical features such as synonyms, antonyms, prefixes and suffixes while we're doing this. The children really engage with this. They can do 2 different levels, grasshopper words or shinobi words, and the template is available free on the Vocabulary Ninja website. Another way that we use technology to improve reading and writing in my classroom is through the use of wordless videos. The children have QR codes that they can scan to a range of wordless videos. Lots of these are Disney Pixar, and they're really entertaining for the children, and they can use them to determine their knowledge of factors such as cause and effect, inference and point of view. The children really enjoy these, and they can use these tricky higher order thinking reading skills in this way, and then we can build on introducing this through text. We also use the Pobble platform to help improve the children's writing. We use what we call a Pobble Waggle Finder that was created by Andy Price, our Year 6 teacher, and is now used on Pobble. The children place this over their iPad and choose a piece of writing on the screen. They then go through the different activities on the outside, which helps them to really focus on what a good piece of work looks like. They use the viewfinder to analyse who the audience of the piece is for, what punctuation they have introduced, how they could improve it, and they also magpie from this to use in their own writing. The use of technology has really improved the standards of reading and writing within our school, and we've been able to have a really balanced approach with traditional methods and technology to enhance the provision. I hope these methods have been helpful for people. They're very, very helpful within our setting, and the children are really engaged by purposeful use of technology. Thanks for watching.